The global impact of COVID-19 has brought a greater recognition of biotech sector's direct influence on innovation and technology adoption for pharma, medtech, agriculture, and allied areas, clean solutions, and industrial biomanufacturing. Disruptions of supply chains, including imports of critical products and raw material, brought in realization for India to become Atmanirbhar. Honorable Prime Minister's clarion call to make India as a $100 billion biomanufacturing hub and a 150 billion US dollar industry by 2025 is a testimony of the nation's expectations from the biotechnology sector. Today we are also releasing the Indian priority pathogen list. We in fact just now released it with the main objectives of guiding the prioritization of research on antimicrobial resistance, including incentives and funding. Also to help align R&D priorities with Indian public health needs, and also to support India's leadership in containment of antibiotic resistant bacteria. Antimicrobial resistance AMR is one of the top 10 global health threats faced by the world today and can have a major impact on the economy, society, food safety, and public health. Infections caused by antibiotic resistant pathogens substantially amplify the burden of both healthcare associated and community acquired infections. To minimize the emergence and spread of antimicrobial resistance, coordinated actions are required at the global, national, and the sub-national levels. The Government of India stood at the forefront of fighting the pandemic. Department of Biotechnology and BIRAC together strategized both immediate and long-term research and development efforts for vaccine, diagnostics, and drug development, in addition to development and production of monitoring and assistive devices and other biomedical solutions through the DBT BIRAC COVID-19 Research Consortium initiative. India is already seen as an innovation hub wherein new products and solutions are developed every day, and efforts are being taken constantly to further expand the reach to young innovators and researchers to evolve biotech entrepreneurship as a career choice. These Make in India innovations have a big responsibility in building a self-reliant nation of tomorrow. These innovations will not only be useful nationally but globally as well. The Global Bio India is an opportunity for us to showcase our strengths